All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Eric with My Glide Rides, and this is really not going to be an install, but just a little product review, but I guess it is an install. So again, the nice folks from Nicecnc has sent me some front windscreen bolts. I'll take you over here to the bike here at Stella and show you that what I've been using so far is just the factory bolts, but you know, they're always something to improve on. And they offer these in 3 different styles or 3 different colors, and I'll put those up here on the left for you so you can see them. But very nice, again, very nice material, very nice machined aluminum, good quality product. And so let's get these on real quick. So let's go to the bike. All right, so we're going to remove the old bolts first. So it's a 4mm Allen is what's going to be removing the these factory bolts. So again, that'll go nice with this piece of aluminum trim I've got here. Get these broke loose, then we can take them out with our hands. Very quick, about a 5-minute install. And it's another cold one here in Georgia. We have not broke the freezing temperature in about 3 days now, so it has been chilly down here in the south. What I'm actually going to do is, instead of having to take that piece all the way down, I'm going to unpackage these one at a time as I need them. And they do have a, I'll put this right back in here, started. They do have a little flat spot around the base of them, so you can use a wrench, but obviously I don't want to use a wrench. Let me, whew, that's cold. Let me get this cinnamon off. All right. Of course, the longer bolt's always in the center. Put that there to keep it from dropping. Whew. I don't know if you can see. I'll try to show you here closely. This bottom is a hex. So you can get a good close-up shot of what these look like. You can really tighten them down. Ooh, my finger's just not wanting to work. I am going to put, whoops. Whew. Yeah, that looks nice with that actually. There we go. That trim piece was holding it. Okay. Get the other one out. Apologize if I've been in the way of the camera here. Open that door for the sunshine. I hope it's not too much of a washout. Letting some heat in. She is cold. Okay. Some people will just tighten these down just with their hands. I don't trust that. I will use that little wrench. Using a little 7/16 wrench here. It's a close enough fit. I'll turn them, slug them down to at least where the logos are in the right direction. What's nice, guys? Look at that. Has a nice touch to how this machine surface is here on this, and then you can see how well these are on the bike. So Yeah, there you go. A little quick install. Very nice look on these. Yeah, again, check out Nicecnc. Use discount code MGR11. Be sure to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And there you go, guys. Appreciate you stopping by for this little short one.